Okay, I'm going to finally test my cubing abilities with probably the hardest thing yet. I'm going to be able to do it, but it's going to take a long time. So today, we're going to be solving all of these as fast as I can. So let's go through everything we have. We got the 2x2 speed cube, 3x3 speed cube, the Scube speed cube, Pyramid speed cube. We have the really loose 3x3. Like seriously, this thing is, it's so loose. And then we have the tight 2x2 speed cube. We have the tight 3x3 speed cube. We got the tight 4x4 and 5x5 speed cubes. And we have the crappy 3x3. Oh boy. Alright, let's do the first thing. Scramble them all up. 2x2 speed cube. There we go. Pyramids. Tight 2x2. Tight 3x3. Oh, yeah, this is really tight. This needs lube. Tight 4x4. Actually, this one isn't that bad. I think the 5x5 is really good. I don't know, I haven't used it in a while. There we go. 5x5. Ooh, this is really good. Okay. This one I might not actually be able to solve without a video. There's an algorithm I might not know. So if I have to look up a video midway through, please don't judge me. 3x3 speed cube. Scube. Man, it's taken 3 minutes and I haven't even gotten them scrambled. Alright, crappy 3x3. Okay, I didn't even, and then the loose 3x3. There we go. There's all of the cubes scrambled. Let's get to solving. I'm gonna go from easiest to hardest. So easiest will be the Scube. This one's incredibly easy. Okay. Also, you're probably gonna hear me get quiet while solving a lot of these because I'm thinking, I'm processing. There we go. Scube solved. Next easiest is the speed 2x2. By the way, I do have a Megaminx, but I have no idea how to solve that. If you don't know what a Megaminx is, it is a cube, a Rubik's Cube in the shape of a dodecahedron. And if you have no idea what that is, a dodecahedron is a 3D pentagon, basically. So it's like a pentagon cube, basically. You should look up a picture of one. It's literally madness. There we go, 2x2. Then we got the tight 2x2, which is a little harder because it doesn't turn as well. It's not a dramatic change, but it's something. There we go, that's solved. And then we got the loose 3x3. I'm not going to take off the pieces and cheat. Who do you think I am? Well, I guess you have no idea who I am, probably. But, I'm just gonna solve it. Because I've made this video kind of weird now. Oh, I wish I never talked. There we go. And then the 3x3 speed cube. Sorry. I better now. Oh, you know what? I think this one turns a lot better than the other one. Yeah, this one I probably should have done before the last one, but it doesn't matter that much. I'll just keep solving it. Oh, about to be solved. That's solved. And then the tight 3x3. Oh, this is super hard to turn. I mean, it's not as bad as this thing, but this is almost my entire cube collection. I have the only remaining cubes is I have a Megaminx, which I already told you about, and I have a crappy 2x2 that I can't find, and I have another crappy 3x3 that I also can't find. My friend said that if I could solve his Rubik's Cube, then I could have it. So, I got a free Rubik's Cube. Oh, you know, I probably should have done the Pyraminx a long time ago because the Pyraminx is really easy. Oh, well. Oh, I'm getting tired of solving 3x3s. I have solved... This is my 4th 3x3 I've solved, I think. Yeah, yeah. There we go. There we go. Alright, let's move on to the Pyraminx. This one might take me a few solves to get an algorithm that I know how to solve. Ooh, yes, that was a really good place to be. Okay, 4x4. Oh, I just realized something. If I get OLO parity, that would suck. Oh, please no. Please no, please no, please no. If you don't know what OLO parity is, if you didn't see my 4x4 video, that is where, so if you don't know how 4x4s work, or how you solve them, is you first solve the edges and corners, and then after you've done that, you just solve it as if it's a 3x3. And sometimes you can get parity, which is where a piece is twisted in a way that could never happen on a 3x3. Oh, shoot. Sorry, I get so quiet. I get really absorbed in cubing. Okay. Wait, why did I just do that? Hold on. There we go. This video is gonna be long. Thank you to the people who decide to waste their time on watching this video. Alright, I don't know what I'm doing going so slow. I'm gonna pick up the pace. Whoa, what the? Oh shoot, oh shoot, oh shoot, oh shoot. Okay. Whew, that was close. I almost screwed up the whole cube. Oh, I'm about to be at the point where you solve it like a 3x3. Oh, I am. Cool. Okay, other side. What I'm saying probably makes no sense right now, does it? There, look, there's 3/4 of the cube done. Now we just got that. No! I got OLL parody. No. Oh. I'll be right back. I gotta look up a video on how to do this. Can I use your phone number?
What?
Okay. I'm gonna start working on the 5x5 while I wait for YouTube to load. What do you mean? This isn't cheating. Okay, no, it's not cheating. How could this be cheating? Okay. Hi, I'm looking up a tutorial. Don't judge me. There we go. Okay. I did that 100% without looking up a tutorial, okay? Dang, this video is 20 minutes long now. Okay. 4x4 solved. Okay, 5x5. Okay. What? I see. Okay, this isn't good. I wonder if I can do something different. Can I do? That's not gonna work. What? Why? Oh, what? Oh yeah, I forgot. You have to build bars. Well, how did I forget that? If you're not a cuber, that probably made no sense what I just said. But you basically have to build sections of the cube before moving them into place, or you could mess it up. Or sorry, not could. You probably will. There we go. Yes. Okay. And then we just... Oh, I'm such a genius. I outsmarted all the tutorials I've ever seen. Perfect. Why did I just say perfect? I think I'm going insane. Grain goes here. Oh, you've got to be kidding me. This could take a while. 5x5s are hard for me to comprehend. Okay, cool. Okay, we're getting somewhere. Yes. No. Oh my God. Oh, yes, 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 yes. Okay, we could be off to a winner. There's all of the middles solved. We just gotta pull through this 30-minute long video, alright? Oh, what? You wouldn't think 4x4 and 5x5 would be much different, but it is astonishing how much different they are. No, like this, right? Yeah. Okay, here just smooth sailing unless I run into parity. I'll just get that piece out of the way. Kill two birds with one stone. I think I just performed a flipping algorithm and I didn't even realize it. I'm just pairing up edges right now. It's a long, tedious process. Oh, by the way, I'm going to be honest. I really felt like forfeiting earlier. But I'm glad I didn't, because I think there's still a chance. For those of you who are still watching, thank you so much, because I don't know how you would be. What? 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 I'm confused. Let's replace that. Where is the okay? I'm super confused. So boom, 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 boom. Cool. Wait. Yes. Okay. I'm about to do this. I'm lost for words, as you can see. This has been crazy. This video's been 35 minutes long so far. I'm about to do this. I'm about to have beaten 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 cubes. Or solved 10 cubes in 35 minutes with only one tutorial. Holy crap, there's the white side. I'm about to have completed 4/5. That's good. Oh, thank God. I thought I had OLL parody for a second. Actually, no, that's not OLL. It's something else that I don't know that I don't know the name of. I almost said I don't know what I name. Oh, it won't make much sense, would it? Oh! Oh my gosh! Holy crap! Ho ho ho! Oh! Yes! Oh ho ho! 37 minutes. I did all of these. Oh. I hope you all enjoyed this video. See you in the next one.